In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Discord to OBS Studio, voice chat, and text channels. By the end, you'll be able to show who's talking in your Discord voice channel and display messages from a text channel directly on your stream or recording, all while keeping things clean and readable. Start by opening your web browser and heading to streamkit.discord.com/overlay. This is Discord's official overlay builder for OBS. Click the button that says Install for OBS. This doesn't install a separate program, it simply guides you to use OBS's browser source with a ready-to-use link. If you're prompted to sign in or authorize, go ahead and confirm so the overlay can access your server list. Next, choose what you want to show. Click the Voice Widget tab to display live speakers in a voice channel, or the Chat Widget tab for a scrolling text feed. Then select your server and the specific channel you want to display. Make sure you have permission to use the channel on stream, and consider privacy. Pick a channel that's meant for public viewing so you don't expose anything unintended. Customize the look so it fits your scene. Adjust avatar size to make names easy to read. Tweak text color and theme for contrast against your background, and set whether to show user avatars, nicknames, or only active speakers. A quick tip: higher contrast and slightly larger fonts are easier for viewers on mobile devices. When it looks right, copy the generated URL from the bottom of the page. In OBS, add a new browser source, give it a clear name like Discord Voice or Discord Chat, and paste the URL into the URL field. If needed, set the width and height to match your canvas so the overlay renders crisply, then position and scale it in your scene. To add a new source, click the plus icon in the sources box. Now let's bring in the audio, add another source and choose Application Audio Capture, name it Discord Audio, and click OK. In the window dropdown, select Discord so OBS captures audio from that app only. This approach keeps your stream clean by isolating voice chat from other system sounds. If you prefer to capture everything that plays through your speakers instead, make sure Discord is outputting to your default system device. OBS will then include it with your desktop audio. That's it. Arrange your overlay, test it by joining a voice channel or sending a test message, and you're ready to go. Thanks for watching and happy streaming.